In my opinion, selecting, you could call it the best personal injury lawyer, a top-rated personal injury lawyer, an excellent personal injury lawyer, whatever term you want to use for selecting your personal injury lawyer to represent you in New York City, the criteria is logical, okay? You're going to want to pick an experienced attorney. It is so important in New York because there are so many rules, so many regulations. For instance, take a sidewalk fall, a sidewalk trip and fall from a pothole. It could be a 90-day statute of limitations with the city, with municipal. It could be something involving a state property. It could be private, where there's no notice of claim involved. So take that situation, take a truck accident or a bicycle accident. An experienced attorney would be able to tell you, oh, you're entitled to no fault benefits, but you have to apply within 30 days. An inexperienced attorney might think, oh, it's a bicycle accident, and they wouldn't understand that. With a typical, an example would be an accident involving an Uber. You would bring a claim against the driver and the owner, but Uber is nowhere on the driver and the owner's registration. But an experienced personal injury attorney would know that they can sue Uber directly and force them to provide additional insurance company coverage. Now, speaking of insurance coverage, that's where it really becomes important, because if a claim is brought against me for an auto accident, an experienced attorney would want to discover excess insurance, additional insurance over what I turn over. I, as an experienced attorney, would say, oh, wait a second, let me see about additional insurance. What about household members? Well, I know as an experienced attorney, if they live in a household with other vehicles, that insurance could apply. That's critical information. So let's assume you're a laborer and you get involved in an accident involving a ladder on a home. You want to know, am I entitled to the labor law? It's tricky. Oh, there's an exemption for 1 or 2 family homes. Yeah, but if they rent the house out to a tenant, oh, it's excluded and I do have a case. So whether you have a case or whether you don't have a case, in many ways totally depends on the experience of the attorney handling the case. So I say experience, number one. Number two, whether the attorney has the finances, the financial capability to promote your case, to invest in your case, okay? We invest in clients' cases. We invest $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $60,000 of our own money. We are on the line with our clients. We don't ask them for that money. So it's important to pick an attorney that's established, that has the financial capability, because you only have one case. It's not, you know, some friends could say, oh, my cousin is a nice attorney, I like the attorney, I feel bad. Well, don't feel bad, because think of it as the home you're buying. You're not going to buy a home because your cousin is a broker and brings it to a house you don't like, or that doesn't meet your criteria. I mean, so you can't be swayed by picking a professional. You only have one case. You have to use independent criteria. You have to know who you're dealing with. So I suggest you do a little looking, digging, pick an attorney that's experienced, pick an attorney that has results. For instance, I can show clients, oh, we got a $5.3 million verdict recently for a motorcycle rider. Oh, we just won a case yesterday, okay, which we fought all the way to the high court and won, all right? We just settled an $8.3 million case, all right? That gives you some kind of confidence that the law firm that you're dealing with, the lawyer that you're dealing with, has the experience that you need and deserve if you are injured. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I'm available. It's free consultation. Love to hear from you. Thank you.